Dahil po sa inyong kahangahangang kontribusyong ito, nag-file po kami sa Senado, kasama po si Senator Cynthia Villar, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Nancy Binay, at na-adapt po ito ng buong Senado, kasama po si Senator Robin Padilla at Senator Tulfo, ng Senate Resolution number 719, which the Senate adopted last Wednesday. Through this resolution, we honor the incredible efforts of Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ Fourth Watch in enriching the spiritual lives of millions and extending a helping hand to those in need. And let me emphasize, your impact is felt not just within the borders of the Philippines, but around the globe. This resolution stands as a testament to the high regard and deep admiration we hold for Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ Fourth Watch, particularly on the occasion of its 50th church anniversary. Sa ating pagtitipon ngayong gabi o ngayong hapon, hindi lamang natin dapat ipagdiwang ang ating mga narating tagumpay o ika nga mga milestone. Let us also seize this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to our shared values that bind us together and reignite our purpose to create a society of unity and compassion. Isang lipunan na may pagkakaisa at pagmamalasakit sa ating kapwa.